Hello, I'm in Japan. This is my room at the International Garden Hotel Narita. I'm staying here for 3 nights to recover from jet lag and to do some shopping at the Aeon mall nearby. So this is, I forget what it is, a standard double room or something like that. This is the view from the door. So we actually have a closet here to the right. And okay, we got a lot of hangers. We have some shoe stuff. That's a little flashlight, I think. On the other side, we have, I think that's an iron. Some laundry bags. We have a robe and some slippers. Okay, and then we have the hot drinks area. So it has a mini fridge, and it has green tea, and this is a hot water kettle, and then this is for drinking water, which you can refill down the hall somewhere. Nothing in there. We have the laundry, no, not laundry. The luggage thing that you put your suitcase on, and then some drawers. Okay, we have a TV and a nice desk. We have, I think this is the, what did we say this was? Dehumidifier or something like that. Windows, chair and table. The bed, which is just a double. And a really funky clock radio thing. Not sure if this actually works. Is it just an alarm clock or is it also a radio? Yeah, AM1, AM2, FM. Yeah. And then, I don't know, I just think it's funny. And then, oh, before we check out the bathroom, let's see if we can see anything out the window. It's just getting dark. I think this is the same view I had last time. It's the industrial parking spot. Oh gosh, sorry about that. Okay, and then we have a big mirror. Hey there, hi there, ho there. And then here is the bathroom. Oop, oh, hole. Okay. Bathroom. So we have got a tub, pretty deep tub, with a shower head. The Japanese toilet with bidet. We have amenities in bottles. And we have individual amenities. Always fun. I actually wanted a new toothbrush, so this probably will work out good for me. And let's see, the towels are up here. And they also have a laundry line, so you can dry stuff if you want to. So yeah, pretty good. And this was only $33 a night. And they have a shuttle to the airport and to the train station and to the shopping mall. That's all free.